treat a lot of headaches. Paige, who has been a patient for about 3 years, but she's also an employee and a therapist with us, has been having headaches for about 3 years, as we said. Ever since we started adjusting her, the headaches have disappeared. And as long as you stay consistent with the adjustments, maybe once a month, once every other month, once we get to the result, the headaches usually stay away as long as they follow exercises and strengthening. We're going to show you what an adjustment for a headache it looks like right now. You want to lay face up for me, Paige, please?
Sure.
Thank you. Uncross your legs, please. And